like to say that you added 13 plus 5, it's like 18. You want to add 80 plus 5, it would be like 85. You want to subtract two numbers, 80 plus 75, that would be 5. You want to multiply two numbers, that would be like this. And if you want to have the division, normally the division is problematic, but it's quite a bit of the detail in other languages. But if you want to have it in Python, Python is quite simple. 5 divided by 5, you get 1, as simple. If you want to have it 25 divided by 5, it would be 5. If you want to have 36 divided by 6, that would be 6. If you want to have the division of 30 divided by 4, it would be 7.5 with a decimal of 1.5 given as well. If you want to have the whole number integer as a number, as an answer, you can have it like this, that 30 obviously with 2/4, it will give just the one dropping the decimal point. And if you want to have the remainder or the modulus of the two numbers, it would be like that, 30 percentage sign 4, that would give you the modulus of 2, the remainder of 2, as an answer. If you want to add the 2, if you want to apply the BODMAS, which is the basic, you want to multiply first of all two numbers, then you want to add it, and want to apply subtraction, or let's say or division as well, what the answer would be at 43.6. What's here it is done, it is done that the two numbers are, first the BODMAS is applied. You want to add it like this, the brackets, and after multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. We have learned it in our basic classes as well, in from grade 4 to grade 8. We have learned all the basic about the arithmetic and the BODMAS. But what we do, we just formulate in Python like this: 5, for example, 5 plus 8. And if you want to multiply it by 8, and you want to add it 5, and you want to subtract it by 4, the answer would be 105. So the same applies to this rule as well. So if that's all about the technique, but if you want to have like this, that it will be done 5 multiplied by 1, and you want to add it 4, and you want to subtract it by division by 7, and that would be minus 2. The answer would be quite that much of the amount. So it's quite easy. We're talking about the variables. If you have one variable, for example roti, and it's equal to, for example, roti is a bread in Urdu. So if you want to have it like that, roti is equal to 8 or 5, it would be and you want to add any number to roti. If, for example, 5 plus roti would give us the 13 as an addition. If you want to have the salan as an equal to 4, and if you want to add roti plus salan, that would give you about 12. So that would be the roti plus salan 12. If you want to divide it, for example, you want to divide roti divided by salan, that will give you 2. And if you want to multiply the two variables, that will give you the answer like 32. So you can work with the variables as well. For example, if you want to have the power of two numbers, it can be done like that: 5 double steric 4, and that would be 5 to the power 4, and that would be 625. If you want to have the 2 double steric 5, that would be 32, and if it would be 2 double steric 2, that would be 4. So you can work with these examples, and you can also see that how much you can actually do it with Python using the basic arithmetic rules, and also using the variables. So I'm going to end up my video over here of the starting of the basic Python 3.7.2. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much, and keep watching.